Established in 1950 as Hangzhou Oxygen Machine Factory, this site was once a bustling landmark of Hangzhou's industrial era, filled with the sound of machinery and the efforts of dedicated workers. Now it has transformed into a unique cultural place. It is the newly opened Wulin Star Expo Center that merges industrial past and modern life. Let's explore it together! Industrial buildings has been revitalized. Now, Wulin Star Expo Center combines commerce and exhibitions, making it a cultural and social hub. To celebrate the grand opening, Wulin Star Expo Center will feature the 2024 Asia Design Management Forum and Idea Life Fair, or shortly ADM. With the theme of proposal, ADM is a grand exhibition featuring designs, arts, IP displays, and lasting until November 11th. Highlights include Everything in Friendly Love, an exhibition exploring themes of love and harmony.看起来很 normal. What's wrong with me? Is it the first model of Ford? A showcase of luxury and vintage cars by League of Prezioso. I like this one. Looking at the ceilings, you can see that a lot of construction has been preserved from the past. As well as the Endless Dream, an immersive exhibition celebrating Czech painter Alphonse Mucha's iconic art through digital technology. With the art, shopping, or Hangzhou relaxed vibe, Wulin Star Expo Center has it all. Come here to check it out yourself.